Hello? Listen carefully. Do you understand English? You watch English videos. You know many words. But when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Your heart beats faster, and no words come out. If this sounds like you, relax. You are not weak. You are not bad at English. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your practice system. Today, I will show you how to start speaking English confidently with a simple daily method. Most people learn English the wrong way. They study grammar rules. They memorize vocabulary. They watch many videos. But they do not speak. English is not knowledge. English is a skill, and skills only improve when you practice them daily. You don't learn swimming by reading a book. You learn swimming by getting into the water. In the same way, you don't learn speaking by studying grammar. You learn speaking by speaking. Now listen carefully. This is the simple daily formula. You only need 15 minutes a day. Step 1. Create a very simple sentence. For example, I am busy today. Say it slowly. I am busy today. Step 2. Add one extra word. I am very busy today. Say it again. I am very busy today. Step 3. Say it loudly. Don't whisper. Don't speak inside your head. Speak out loud. You can speak in front of a mirror, or you can speak alone in your room. Mistakes are allowed. Silence is not. Now practice with me. Repeat after me. I want to improve my English. Again. I want to improve my English. Next sentence. I am learning English every day. Again. I am learning English every day. Next. I will speak English confidently. Again. I will speak English confidently. Very good. This is how you practice. Simple, clear, daily. Remember one thing. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. If you practice daily, confidence will follow automatically. Speak a little every day. Don't wait for perfection. If you want daily English practice, short lessons, and full speaking guides, subscribe to this channel now. We practice English here, every single day. See you in the next lesson.